tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to write unit test in KMM for common business logics. Okay, so actually the idea is for the common business logic we are gonna write the test only once, okay, both for iOS and Android platform. Okay, so this is the concept, and please guys go and follow my blog, because this is the simple medium blog that I have summarized the important concept. I mean, like, I have summarized the steps for writing unit test for in KMM for common business logic. So it's a very simplistic step that I have explained, summarizing all the important points, and it will be very helpful for you guys, and you will learn writing a unit test both for Android and iOS platform in like less than 10 minutes. Okay, it's like if you just go and follow my blog. So, and if you like this blog, please do send me some claps. And okay, let's without wasting my your time, I would like to just go and jump to describe about this concept. Okay, so first, as you can see here, first you have to open your build.gradle.kotlin script file, and inside the shared module in the source set block, add a block for common test source set. So okay, I will also be explaining you in detail here how you are going to do that. So what you have to do is go to your project and go to your shared folder, and inside the shared folder you have obviously a build.gradle kotlin script file for your shared folder, right? And inside this shared folder you just need to go and add this common main, not this common main, common test folder. Okay, so this block of code, you just need to write this block of code in the first step. Okay, so as you can see here in the tutorial. Okay, so this common, as you can see here, the common is and this annotation for common, these dependencies are pretty much used both for your iOS and Android platform. It's for common platform. Okay, both for iOS and Android. Okay, so this is the first step. The second step, you just need to create a new directory called common test kotlin. Okay, actually how you can do that, just go to your project. You just need to create this common test directory. I have already created that, but if in case you have not created, if your project you have set up your project the first time and you don't see this folder, then it's pretty simple, no need to worry. Just go to your source, right click, and in the name just select the directory, and here you just need to write common test and slash just write kotlin. Okay, and it will automatically create the directory. As you can see here, directory name with the name kotlin already exists. It already exists here, but if in case you have this directory is not present, you can just create using this simple command. Okay, and Android Studio will auto suggest you the directory. Okay, so just no need to worry. Okay, so this is the second step. You have created this common test directory where you are going to write the test. Okay, and now after this, obviously you're gonna have to the third step is you have to add the dependency in source set. Okay, so now let's go and add some dependency both for iOS and Android platform. So let's go back to the shared common kotlin script file, build.gradle kotlin script file, and kotlin script. Here what you have to do is you have to add a Android unit test dependency for Android, and necessary dependency for your iOS test. Okay, and you just need to write it here. Okay, and that's it. So you have your iOS test directly also created here, and you have a common test directly created here, Android unit test directly created here, as you can see here. So this is it. Now what's next? Next, obviously you have to create the test now. So you just need to go to your common test, and create the necessary test. Okay, so this is the necessary test. Be careful guys that you can create you have to create this test in your common test folder. Okay, not in the Android unit test or iOS test. This Android unit test and iOS test is for the specific platform independent test. Okay, are written here. The common tests are written in the common test folder. Okay, so this is the difference. In the next tutorial I will be also explain you how to write the platform independent unit test. Okay, for each platform, for Android specific platforms and for iOS specific platforms, but will be doing this in the next chapter, next tutorial. But in this tutorial I'm just trying to write a common test. Okay, so this is common for both the platforms, iOS and Android. So this is the concept, important concept you have to understand. So your test will be lying here. Okay, so this is my test, and this test will pretty much follow the standard Android if you are an Android developer, you are pretty much familiar with how we write the test. So it is pretty much the standard Android approach, okay, for writing the common test. So I mean like standard Kotlin approach actually for writing your test. So you just initialize before running the test, you initialize your view model, and then you perform your respective test. You just need to run your test. Yeah, click this button, run your test. Okay, let me just run in the Android, and it will be, yeah, the tests are passed. Okay, so this is how we run the test. And there is also another way to run your test, is by just writing this command gradle w shared all test. So this all test will run all the test both for both the platform, right, for iOS and Android. And as you can see here, all tests build successful, so all the tests are passed. Okay, and that's it guys. And yeah, it was pretty simple, right? Less than 10 minutes and we learned how to write a unit test in KMM for common business logic. And thank you guys, and catch you up in the next lecture.